Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to upload attachments to an email from Microsoft Outlook to Caselines. This upload will exclude the body of the email and is a fast and easy process that will save you a lot of valuable time and effort. Step 1. Select the email and click Upload Files to open the Data Prune Mail Extractor Microsoft Outlook add-in for Caselines. Step 2. Select the Attachments tab to view all the attachments to the email. To upload one or only some of the attachments displayed, select the upload box to the left of the document description. To upload all the attachments, simply click the Check or Uncheck All button. The document counter will indicate the total number of attachments to the email as well as the number of attachments selected for upload. Step 3. You can verify how the attachment will appear on Caselines by selecting Preview, and then further selecting Preview and Open Folder to view the documents prepared for upload. Step 4. Once you are satisfied that you have selected all the relevant attachments for upload and their appearance is to your satisfaction, click Upload. An upload instruction screen will appear. If you are satisfied that you have selected the correct case and section for the upload and email attachments is indicated, click Upload again to prepare the email for uploading. The email file will reflect orange in the upload status bar whilst uploading. Once the upload is complete, the file will turn blue and the upload status at the bottom of the status bar will indicate the number of files successfully uploaded to Caselines. Step 5. You can now close the application and follow the previous steps again to upload your next email, or you can first view the attachments online in Caselines. To do this, you need to select View Online. You will be directed to the Sections tab of the designated case on the Caselines website. The email will be described on Caselines in accordance with the attachment description. Congratulations on a successful attachment upload to Caselines. Thank you for watching this tutorial.